We're going down Toquerville Falls today. Whitney, what time is it?
11:09.
It's adventure time.
Oh, adventure time.
Have Whitney right here and Megan in the back there. Not sure how that all worked out. This road is pretty rough that we're going on to see the falls. Should be fun. This sign was not kidding. You can see here, and it's just at the beginning of the trail, how rough it is. This is a really rough road. You can't really see just how rough it is from this angle, but you could probably get a sense of how rough it was, how the camera was bouncing around. She stops the camera too soon, but we're about to climb up that steep rock face. It was a beautiful, crisp day as well. All right, we are out here. We got another big rock formation to tackle with the Rivian. So far, it's looking pretty good. It's doing well. I didn't realize how close to the edge we were. We ran into this Jeep club from California. They were some really cool guys. I enjoyed hanging out with these guys up in Toquerville Falls. I thought for sure I was going to bottom out at some of these locations, but I never did. This was even rougher than it looked here. This truck is really a beast. It wouldn't even own this without the slightest hesitation. This next part is funny. Listen to the girls. We couldn't see that ledge from where we were in the truck. We have made it to the falls, as you can see. It was a fun adventure. It was pretty rocky. Now we get to do it again. This time going down. It'll be fun. This is our new friends from California. They look good with their Jeep standing at the top of the falls. I'm right on top of the falls in the Rivian. I thought it would be fun getting some drone footage from the top. This was crazy, and I could have went around and it would have been a lot smoother, but I wanted to see if the Rivian would make it up this little lip. We stopped the camera too soon, but it did. There is a couple of miles of smooth road.